In today's lecture, we will discuss about research. Research is basically a process of systematic inquiries that comprised of data collection. And after the collection of data, that critical information should be properly documented. And after the documentation, analysis and interpretation of that information or data is very important. So this three-step process is basically research or for conduction of research. That suitable methodologies is very important or very critical, as every type of methodologies you cannot use for a whole type of data. So there is always a suitable methodologies which is set up by the specific professionals related to that field or academic disciplines. Purpose of research: there are three basic purposes for the conducting a research. First, purpose is exploratory, that you want to explore a group of questions which are still unanswered, and then you also want to handle new problem areas which haven't explored yet. And that research could be descriptive, which can focus on expanding knowledge on current issues through the process of data collection. And this can also describe the behavior of a sample population. And the research could also be explanatory, which can understand the impact of certain changes in existing standard procedures. So, what are the characteristics of research? A characteristic is a systematic approach. Systematic means that research should start with the data collection, as you cannot go for the analysis or interpretation of data first and then data collection. First of all, you have to collect the data, and then you have to document that critical data. And after after the documentation, then you will go for the analysis of that data. And second is the logical reasoning, that illogical things should not be discussed in the research. And after third characteristic is that all collected data should be analyzed very deeply. In-depth analysis is very important. This is also the characteristic of research. And fourth research is that it creates a path for generating new questions, that the research should not have a closed end. It should be open for generating new questions. And then the accuracy is very important characteristic, that the data collection and interpretation should be very accurate. And if that data is accurate, then that research will be very helpful for the new generations, and it will also create path for generating new questions for the next generations. Thank you. In next lectures, we will discuss about further characteristics or further types of research, and then we will also discuss about the different methodologies, that how can we suitably present our data which we have collected through research. Thank you.